I get vision for my mind, I no fear hide am. One small idea, I carry come light am. Tap on for the box, make.
This looks like a music video shot in different locations with different outfits, lights, and camera setup. This entire music video was made using my own song, my own face, and AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a realistic AI music video of myself from scratch. Not with a random character, not with copyrighted music from the internet, and not by typing one lazy prompt and OpenAI gives me magic. I created my own Afrobeat song using AI, generated different cinematic versions of myself, recorded my own movement, transferred motion into AI images, and edited everything into one final music video. But the hardest part was this, making the AI version still look like me. A normal music video needs a lot of things. You need a song, locations, outfits, cameras, lightnings, editing, and sometimes a full team. And if you want to look premium, the cost can go up very quickly. So my question was simple. Can I create the feeling of a real music video without a studio, without a camera crew, and without leaving my room? This was the result. But to get there, I had to build the workflow properly. The first thing I needed was the music. I could have used a random song online, but that creates two problems. One, copyright. Two, the video would not feel original. So I created my own Afrobeat song with AI. The idea in my head was to make a song that talks about prompting, AI engineering. I explained the intention to ChatGPT and I wrote the lyrics. The goal was not to make a robotic AI song. I wanted a proper Afrobeat record with a catchy hook, something that could really carry the video. And once the song came out, I knew the visuals had to match that energy. I got the lyrics, went straight to Suno AI, gave the lyrics to Suno AI, gave the prompt I got from ChatGPT. All the prompts used in this video is documented in the description of this video.
I get vision for my mind, I no fear hide am. One small idea, I carry come light am.
And now that I had the song, I need the artist. But I didn't want a random AI person. I wanted the music video to feature me. So I uploaded my reference photos to ChatGPT and asked it to create cinematic music video shots while keeping my identity the same. The instruction is to create different scenes of myself in a music video and to keep my facial identity exactly the same. This part is very important. If the face changes too much, the whole illusion breaks. The outfits can change, the backgrounds can change, but the face must stay the same. So the instruction was clear. Keep my face, skin tone, facial structure, and identity exactly the same. Only change the outfit, the locations, and the music video style. And after a few tries, I had studio shots, street shots, futuristic AI rooms, and final hero shot. You can twist it any way you want it, based on your creativity and the idea you have for your video. Now the images looks good, but they were still just images. And this is where it gets dicey. One of the biggest challenges I've had making AI music video is not just creating identity, is making the video lip sync with your music and in the way that you actually want it. And right now, there's no particular tool that can do that exactly with your own music. This method works 100%. So I had to record myself lip syncing, singing the song, vibing to the song in the exact way I want the AI to move. But before I started recording myself, I broke the song track into short parts, around 5 to 6 seconds each. And I recorded the different performance for each part. The recording doesn't need to look cinematic. It's just in the clear movement, clear face direction, good lip sync, and timing with the song. This looks ordinary at this moment, but that same movement is what creates the final shot. And at this point, I had two things that I needed: the AI image for the look and my raw videos for the movement. So the next part is to transfer the motion, the movement to image. So I'm going to use the motion control or motion transfer tool. The one I chose to use is that from Freebeat AI. The link to Freebeat AI is going to be in the description of this video. You can try it out. I open Freebeat AI. You got to sign up and go straight to video generation. Check AI and look for motion transfer. Once you see it, this interface is going to be open to you. AI uploaded the video movement and the AI image. The idea is simple. The image controls the look and my raw videos controls the movement. And this is where the still image starts to feel like a real performance. Raw video, AI image, and final motion result. But here's the trick. The pose has to match. If the AI image is close up, make sure the video performance for that scene is close up. And if the AI image is full body, record a full body movement. If this is not put in place, the results can actually look so different. You repeat the same movement until you have all the clips motion properly transferred. And after generating all the AI clips, I moved everything to CapCut. CapCut is a simple video editor, and this is where the videos become a real music video. A lot of AI videos fail here, although they have nice clips, but the edit has to rhyme with the music. So I added a music file downloaded from Suno AI to my CapCut. So the first thing was I placed the music on the timeline and I started placing each of different parts of the music video to sync with the exact place the music was sung. I placed each clip on top of the beat. Every few seconds, I changed the scene so the video never feels stuck. Then I added transitions, small effects, color adjustments, some filters, and sync everything properly with the music. The AI creates the raw material, but the edit creates the rhythm. So after creating the song, generating my AI identity, recording my movements, animating the scenes, and editing everything together, this is the final AI music video.
Theos season, I'm a prompt. I get vision for my mind, I no fear hide them. One small idea, I carry come light them. Tap on for the box, make the system run. And before I even blink, I don't design them. No camera, body scene they clean. No studio, but I enter screen. From my head to the cloud, everything they sync. Now the whole they watch as the vision they leave. Prompt them, make it run up. Let the AI make it turn up. From idea to cinema, almost see as we they born up. Prompt them, make it run up. Let the AI make it turn up. No be dream again, a vision. Theos stack, we don't unlock them.
So that is the full workflow. Original AI song or your personal song, the one you recorded yourself. Consistent AI images, real motion recording, motion transfer, and final editing. The biggest lesson is that AI does not replace your creative direction. You still need the idea, the performance, the timing, and the taste. AI helps you produce faster, but you still direct the final result. All the prompts and the tools used in this video are right in the description. If you want to see more videos like this, especially videos around generative AI and agentic AI, hit the subscribe button now. You can turn on the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my amazing videos. This is Theos, and I will see you in the next video.